Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for coming over to watch my videos. So today, let's try and eat healthy. As you can see, this gorgeous, beautiful, delicious in the pot. So I'm going to be making chicken vegetable stir fries, and this is the chicken that I'm going to be using. I'm going to marinate with teriyaki sauce, and I'm going to be adding some of my spices as well. Like I always use onion powder, and that is a paprika, and I'm adding garlic salt to it, and that is bouillon, chicken bouillon. So this time I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to be frying the chicken after being marinated. Fry with a low heat, and I'm adding a few drops of soy sauce. So you keep stirring until you see that the chicken is becoming tender. Once you feel that it is cooked, then you can take it out and continue with the remaining ingredients. Here I have my broccoli, and I'm going to blanch it in hot water just for a few minutes. I'm not cooking it, the water is already hot, and I'm going to leave it for roughly 5 minutes. And here is the onion that I'm going to be using: grated carrot, diced orange bell pepper, diced onion, what do they call it? I just forgot. So now I'm going to start frying my stir fries, and that is the onion. Fry in a low heat because you don't want your veg to be overcooked. Just added the carrot. So I've added my green onion, and I'm adding this stir-fried chicken. Mix everything very well. Don't forget that you are not cooking in high heat. because you need your veg. And I'm using that stir fry sauce. I just added it to it, and that is all the sauce I'm going to use for this stir fry. By the way, I am not advertising for any of these producers. This is what I use in my kitchen. So I added the broccoli, and that is it. Stir it very well. Make sure your seasonings are complete, and here is the stir fry. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in my next video by the grace of God. Bye.